Hey guys, just coming on to talk about my Carhartt Trade Series tool bag. All right, let's get straight to the facts. It's 16 inches in length. It's got a 12.5 inch height, and at the bottom it's 8.5 inches deep. So you have plenty of room for the small power tools and hand tools you use the most. They're nice and close. The zipper on top, you can tell it's made, when they were thinking about durability. It's heavy duty. The Carhartt material is made from a sturdy fabric here. You know that Carhartt material, the zipper. You can tell it's bigger than normal here, over here, and they didn't scrimp on the stitching for the carry handles. You can see they did a good job with those too, and it's got plenty of pocket storage on the back and on the inside and the outside. You can see there and here too, and then inside here. Oops, that's got all my stuff in here. My kids got more stuff there. See all the little pockets right there. And Amazon ratings give this a 4.9 stars out of 5. So that should tell you something. It's a keeper, and that's why I give the Carhartt Trade Series tool bag the 2 thumbs up. It's a nice tool bag, guys.